Okay, so in this video we're going to look at some basic angle facts that you need to know, and you need to have them off by heart, and you need to be really good at spotting them in GCSE style questions. So we're going to start off with the basic facts that you should commit to memory. So first of all, angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Angles around a point, so like a circle, add up to 360 degrees. Angles in any triangle add up to 180 degrees. And angles in a quadrilateral, don't forget this means four-sided shape. So any four-sided shape adds up to 360 degrees. So we're going to have a look at some examples now where we're going to apply this knowledge. So first couple of questions that we're going to do together. Looking at this first one then, now we can see that this is a straight line. And we know from our key points that straight lines, the degrees on that add up to 180. So all of this is 180. So to work out what x is, we're going to need to do 180 degrees minus 71, because this bit here that's left is what we're looking for, and that will be what you get when you do this calculation. So 180 minus 71 is 109 degrees. So x is 109 degrees, and that is your final answer. Okay, next question. Now this is what I mean by around a point. Your point is here. So the angles around this point add up to 360 degrees. Now we've also got this line in the middle, which is a straight line. Now that's important because we're looking for two angles here. And we can work out x because this is a straight line. And so on this straight line, we've got x and we've got 120. So those two add up to 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 120 to give us x, which is 60. So that means that x equals 60. Now, if x is 60 degrees, we know that all of this adds up to 360. So to work out y, we can do 360 minus 60, which is x, minus 30 there, and minus 120. So 360 minus everything else in that shape, in that angle, and putting it into my calculator, you get 150 degrees. So y is 150, and we're all done there. Okay, question 3. So here is a triangle. Now we know that these three angles have to add up to 180. So to work out x, we need to do 180 minus 83 minus 44. So 180 minus 83 minus 44 gives us 53 degrees. So x is 53. And finally, this is a four-sided shape, a quadrilateral, and we know that any four-sided shape adds up to 360. So to work out x, we have to do 360 minus 65 minus 73 minus 50, which gives you 172 degrees. So x is 172. So these are just putting those basic facts into practice. So if you can now do these questions on your own, pause the video and then see if you get the answers correct. Okay, so looking at this first question, we've got a triangle. Now we know that this square here means 90 degrees. So we're doing 180 minus 90 minus 68, and you get 22 degrees. So x is 22. Okay, next one, we've got a straight line. So we need to do 180 minus 118. And we get 62 degrees, so x is 62. And on this one, these all add up to 360. So to work out x, we need to do 360 minus 105 minus 136. And you get 119. And final one, four-sided shape, quadrilateral. So these all add up to 360. So again, we have to do 360 minus 75 minus 121 minus 142. and you get 22 degrees. Okay, so those are your basic angle facts. Make sure that you've got all those written down and correct. And if you can now do the exit card, that would be great. Send it in to your teacher.